Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 162. This was a Wednesday, 8 February 2023. So this was mostly working with my solar installation. Most of the solar installation occurred on this day. And I also did work on books and also took care of some personal business. I had checklist items that I completed, but mostly it was the solar installation. So um, I am just grateful for all the people that I have been in contact with. As far as my own journey in solar sales, the people that I have been asking to be a part of this, the prospects, and the folks that are friendly and kind and at least hearing me out. And we've managed to find some people that are really good, but it's a lot of times it is going through a lot of people. So I appreciate everybody who has taken the time to at least hear me out. So I don't need a whole bunch of people. I just need a couple. So I'm glad for people who at least give me their forbearance and listen to me, and I'm very grateful for that. I'm very grateful that I have the opportunity to do this business. I'm grateful that this opportunity is there because I think this is one of the biggest industries. Next couple of years, it's just gonna blow up. So I'm really excited about my own solar system. I'm also grateful for the engineers who designed that kind of a system. It's very complex, but it's very exciting that I'm I'm still going to have a relationship with a power company, but I'm going to be a power producer and not just a power consumer. So that's it for day 162. Let me know if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.